Hello, my name is Mun Leong.
Hello, my name is Nabila Balqis.
My name is Ong Wei Jian and we are from B7. Today we are conducting experiment 6 fluid missing. In the chemical and other processing industry, there are a lot of operations dependent on the agitation and mixing of fluid. For example, is the blending of two miscible liquids such as ethanol and water. For the second is the dissolving of solid in liquid such as salt in water, and for the third one is dispersing of gas in liquid as fine bubbles such as oxygen from the air. There are two terms that are normally associated to the fluid missing. For the first one is the agitation and the second one is missing. For the agitation is the forcing of fluid by mechanical means the fluid flow in the circulatory and other pattern inside a vessel. For the missing is taking two or more separate phase such as two different liquid or one liquid and another is the powder solid and causing them to be randomly distributed through one another.
So now I would like to tell the apparatus that we need. The first one is mixing tank. The second one is the baffle. The third one is the marine propeller. This is the hub mounted propeller. Red beads or yellow beads. The chuck key. This is the motor mounted on stand. This is the motor and the mixer controller.
The experiment for the part A is to study the effects of the changing of type of the impeller to the fluid missing pattern. For the part B is to study the effect of buffer installation to the fluid missing pattern. And for the part C is to study the effects of the impeller shaft position to the fluid missing pattern. Thank you.
And hi. Okay, for experiment A, first of all, we fill the tank with water until 3/4 of its full height. Second, we put the red beads into the tank to see the mixing pattern, the flow pattern. After that, for experiment A, we use two impeller. The first one is the half-mounted impeller, and the second one is the marine propeller. After that, we install the hub-mounted impeller into the metal rod. We put the mixing tank to the center of the motor, and we install the impeller to the motor and tighten it with chuck. And we adjust the height to 15 meter to 15 cm. After that, we start the motor and turn the RPM to 300. The mixing pattern of the beads. Using the hub-mounted impeller, we use marine propeller. Okay, we set up the marine propeller at 15 cm. After that, we turn on the motor and increase the RPM to 300. And now we can see the mixing pattern of the red beads. Study the effect of the baffle installation with the mixing pattern. Okay, this is the baffle. And now we start the experiment without baffle first. We set up the marine propeller at height of 15 cm. Next, we start the engine and the motor at 300 RPM. Set the baffle, and now we adjust the height of the propeller to 15 cm. Now we turn on the motor and increase the RPM to 300. Okay, now you can see the mixing pattern of the red beads is different with baffle and without baffle.
Experiment C, we have to study about the effect of impeller shaft position to the fluid motion. First experiment, we use the marine propeller and we insert the buffer inside the mixing tank. After that, we adjust the height of the propeller to 15 cm and we open the motor. After that, we adjust the motor to 100 RPM and we can alternate the motor to 300 and 500 RPM. After 15 cm is done, we can alternate the height of the impeller to 10 or 5 cm. After we move the position to 5 cm, 10 cm and 15 cm using 100 RPM, 300 RPM and 500 RPM motor, we can observe the fluid pattern and the effect of the position of the impeller.
Experiment 6 fluid mixing. Thank you.